Okay, so this is a 2023 Lincoln Nautilus, and I'm just showing you how to locate the drain plug and the oil filter to do an oil change. So basically what you don't want to do is remove the cover, splash shield. There are some 7mm bolts to remove them, but because someone already went ahead and cut out this part. So this is the drain plug. It's a 50mm. You can use a 50mm socket to remove the drain plug, and then your oil filter is right there. So use a filter pliers. You can clamp it or use one of the filter cap to push on it and spin it off, or you can use the hand if it's not that tight, whichever works. But that's it, nothing crazy.